we are talking about the coordinate geometry and we are talking about the Cartesian coordinate system and the coordinates, so there is a question that arises in all our mind. The question says that whether or not x comma y is equal to y comma x. So the question is really very interesting, that whether the coordinate x comma y is equal to y comma x. So the answer is really very easy. X comma y can never be is equal to y comma x. So the answer for this particular question will be like x comma y can never be is equal to y comma x. Why so? Because whenever we write a coordinate as 1 comma 2, it can never be is equal to 2 comma 1, because the location of both these points will be different from each other in the xy plane. So before that, let's just talk about the definition of such kind of pairs or such kind of coordinates, which are actually called as the ordered pairs. The ordered pairs. So let's just talk about the ordered pairs in the coordinate geometry. So what are ordered pairs? A pair of numbers x comma y which is written in a particular order. So whenever we have x comma y which is written in a particular order, they are called as nothing but ordered pairs which are written in a particular order. For instance, if we are talking about the coordinate x comma y, whenever we are talking about the coordinate x comma y, then we are always writing x first, then y. So this is nothing but a number which is actually following a particular order. So whenever some numbers they follow a particular order, they are called as nothing but ordered pairs. So x comma y is nothing but called as a ordered pair, or we can also call it as a coordinate if we are plotting it on the xy plane. So let us suppose we are talking about the 2 points 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. So as we can see over here, the point 1 comma 2, the point 1 comma 2 is nothing but this point. This is our 1, this is our 2, this is our point 1 comma 2, and 2 comma 1 which is 2 comma 1. So this is nothing but our point, that is 2 comma 1. So if we are talking about 1 comma 2, so let us suppose I'll plot it as we are talking about 1 comma 2. So this is nothing but my point 1 comma 2, and if we are talking about 2 comma 1, so 2 comma 1 is nothing but this point. 2 comma 1 means we are talking about the abscissa is 2. So abscissa is nothing but 2 over here. As we can see, the abscissa is nothing but 2 and the ordinate is nothing but 1. So ordinate is nothing but 1. So this is nothing but 1. So as you can see, this is nothing but 1. So this is 1 comma 2 and this is 2 comma 1. So we can see from this particular plane that 1 comma 2 is definitely not is equal to 2 comma 1, because both of these have different locations in the xy plane and they are called as nothing but the ordered pairs such that they are not equal to each other. We can see over here that 1 comma 2 is not is equal to 2 comma 1. So always remember, x comma y can never be is equal to y comma x. X comma y can never be is equal to y comma x, just only for, or we can say except for one case, except for one case. And what is that case? What is that case? So the special note over here is x comma y can be is equal to y comma x. X comma y can be is equal to y comma x if and only if x is equal to y. If and only if x is equal to y. So if x is equal to y means both of the numbers are same, then this criteria may happen. Because if we are talking about 2 comma 2, then 2 comma 2 is definitely is equal to 2 comma 2. But if we are talking about 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 2 can never be is equal to 2 comma 1. So always remember that x comma y, they are nothing but called as, they are also called as the ordered pairs, and such ordered pairs of the form x comma y always follow a particular order and they can never be is equal to their reciprocals. Means we can say x comma y can never be is equal to y comma x except for one case. And what is that case? X comma y can be is equal to y comma x only if x is equal to y. So I hope this concept about the ordered pairs is all clear to you. So always remember from this concept that x comma y can never be is equal to y comma x only just for one case. We can say they are equal if x comma y is equal to y comma x, if and only if x is equal to y.